What's up, guys? We're back again with another video. They brought back that Sierra, the white one. I did the front end color match and we installed it. The sunroof I did. They brought it back for some more work. Let's check it out. Gotta like that Sierra, gang. Check it out. All them Sierras. Alright, guys, this is what we're gonna be working with. Got this damage here, creating some rust, previously damaged. It's got the Mondo. We're gonna go ahead and repair that, and it also has a pretty big dent right here, and it's got a dent there, small dent there. We're gonna take care of all that. Here's just a little overlook of what it's looking like. I'm gonna end up knocking down all this Bondo and see how far out the Bondo goes, and then get it to bare metal, and then I'm gonna try to pull some of this dent out as much as I can. There's a high spot, all these are high spots, these are all low spots, so this wasn't even pulled out. All they did is put mud over it, so we're gonna get them done the right way, pull it out. I'm gonna start by getting my grinder with the sanding pad on it, and then I'm gonna knock this all down. Alright, we went ahead and took the Bondo off. We went all the way till we feathered it out to where there's no more Bondo on both sides. Everything's feathered out. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I had a high spot right here, knocked that in. There's a low spot right here, small one, nothing too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out as much as I can, and then there's another little low spot right here. You can kind of feel it with your hand, and then I'll throw a light glazing putty. I'll throw a light layer of glazing putty, and then throw some guide coat on it, and then start sanding it down. All right, we got a skim. I've got a light skim of filler right here. I'm gonna let it dry. Still a little tacky. Got some guide coat on there. I'm gonna go ahead and have my little special tool. Follow this body line. Mark it on here all the way down. I'm gonna tape off this back side along the line, and then I'm gonna block this side. Once I get this blocked down evenly, I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off of this side, put it on this side, and then block this side. That's how you get your nice straight edges. What's up, guys? We back with the Sierra. Got her finally pulled in the garage. Started the body work. I already had started the body work, but just got it finalized. And this is the second coat. I went ahead and guide coated it and blocked it down. I'm gonna go ahead and put some guide coat on it, some dry guide coat, and then go ahead and block it one more time. But she's looking real good. We went ahead and repaired this dent here. Oh, you can see it. It lines up good with the. It lines up real good with the light now. I wet sanded down. I got some perfect match paint. Just kind of did a little blend. It has no clear. Customer just wanted the dent out because it was pretty bad. It was all this was in, and you can see the light. But as you can see, now it's nice and I don't want to tear it, but now it's nice and flush. Everything matches. But that's what he wanted. Maybe later on we get him to paint this side, since that side's gonna be real good. It does have some dents here, dents there. But got this one nice and good. So that's where we're at now. I'm letting it dry. I'm gonna put some dry guide coat. Go ahead and sand it down one more time. Do a third coat of primer, and then we'll go ahead and wet sand it down, and then we'll shoot some base coat. We'll do 3 coats of base, and then we'll go ahead and clear it. I'll drop down my garage door, and then clear it up. Do got my fan here. Push that overspray out. Alright guys, it's all cleared up. Nice and wet. Came out real good. Real good. This is 2 coats. I'm gonna put 1 more coat, 3 coats. That way it has something to color, sand, and buff. 1 more coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit in here for 3 to 6 hours. Let it really cure, and then I'll pull it out to the sun so it can cure. All right, guys, pulled it out. She's dry. I'm gonna let her sit out here in the sun, let it bake, and then we'll go ahead and clear sand and buff it out. Real good. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're back with the Sierra. We did all the painting, all that's done. Customer does want a bed liner sprayed before it leaves, so let's check it out. We're gonna get it ready for to spray the Raptor bed liner black. And then clean it up. Here's the bedside I sprayed yesterday. Looks good, just need a little cut and buff. But this is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down, clean it up. I'm gonna see if I can take those out. He does want those out, so I might have to cut the bolts, because I did look underneath and it is a bracket that's welded into the frame. So let me see what I can do there. There she is. Sierra, almost out of here. All right, stay tuned. We got them plates out. We're gonna go ahead and start drying it up, and then we'll start sanding it down. All right, this is what she's looking like. Sand it down. I did wipe it with wax and grease. I'm gonna get ready to start shooting the first coat. All right, guys, bed liner's done. We're all complete with this truck. We did a lot of work to it. Alright, guys, that's a wrap. Like I said, we did the whole color match front end, installed it. We did a sunroof on it. With black suede. Painted the plastics. Obviously the bed liner. Repaired this dent here. And repainted the bedside. A lot of work to this truck. It's looking real good. Badass. Some leather seats and finish it off. It'll be cherry. Well, that's it, guys. Another one done. I had this truck for a little while because I was doing a lot of things to it, and then I had other appointments in between those. But finally got it done. It's looking good. That's gonna be it for the Sierra. Maybe later down the road we end up painting the other side of this bed. I know it's got some dents. The other side came out good. So stay tuned. Maybe we do a lot more work to this truck. We'll see. But that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.